Yeah, I would not make any centric film just for the reason of making it. But 100% I will make films which I feel are filmic, which are watchable by a lot of people. And if there happens to be a subject, I can say this, that I will never make a demarcation and say, अरे ये women centric है तो हम produce नहीं करेंगे. If it's a story that should be told, whether it's a woman's story, whether it's a man's story, whether it's a child's story, whether it's a story about an ensemble cast, I would 100% produce it. I mean, it goes without saying. I mean, to me, this question does not even sound like कि मतलब why should it be a question also? मैं हमारी प्रोडक्शन में हमने अशोका भी बनाई है, और एक्चुअली हमने जो भी 10 फिल्में बनाई हैं, मे बी एक्सेप्ट रावण, या उसमें भी वी हैव बीन वेरी वेरी क्लियर, चाहे वो चलते चलते थी या इन अ फन वे मैं हूं ना थी, और इन इवन अ very attractive, romantic way, Om Shanti Om. I think we have kept the role of women very important. हमारी प्रोडक्शन में तो हमेशा ये तकलीफ होती है कि हीरोइन कोई होगी, बिकॉज हमारा रोल इतना इंपॉर्टेंट होता है. So I will 100% do that. Whenever I get the chance, exactly like I will only make the film as an actor or as a producer, which I like to do. If it happens to be about a woman, a kid, or about an incident, real, unreal, autobiographical, whatever, I would do it. So there is no question about me not thinking like that. But having said that, about women director, yes, I see. For me, it's such a lover of women. I would love to have more women directors directing me. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है यार, वो मेल डायरेक्टर्स, मुझे ऐसा लगता है ज़्यादा ध्यान जो है हीरोइन को अच्छा दिखाने में टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं, बेटर लाइट में शूट करते हैं. आई थिंक दे हैव अ मोर टेंडर स्पॉट फॉर वुमेन, एंड कि हमारी हीरोइन ऐसी लगनी चाहिए, गाने में स्पेशली है. So I really want to have more women directors. If we had more women directors, I would only work with women directors and women heroines and women producers.
क्या आप मानते हैं सोच बदलने से देश बदल जाएगा?
शुरुआत वहीं से होती है, सोच से ही होती है. आई थिंक एन आइडिया इज़ बिगर देन एनीथिंग एल्स इन द वर्ल्ड. हमारी जो आई थिंक जो चेंजेस या बदलाव या जो भी ऐसी बात हुई है दुनिया में, देश में, छोटे प्रांत में, कहीं पर भी, आई थिंक वो सोच से ही शुरू होती है. अगर हम कोई भी ग्रेट रेवोल्यूशन की बात सोचें किसी चीज़ में भी, आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग इन अ ह्यूज वे, तो वो बात अगर हम ढूंढने जाएं तो कहीं ना कहीं एक किसी कस्बे, किसी कोने में, कहीं पर किसी की सोच थी, जिससे द जर्म always starts with the idea, and that's what it says, the germ of the idea. That's how it starts, and then it gets into a movement or gets into a change, whether it's in the technological field, whether it is in personal life, whether it is in films, whether it's in media. एक सोच से शुरुआत ज़रूर होती है, और अगर हमारी सोच इस बारे में क्लियर है कि कहीं ना कहीं पर इस ऐड का बनाने का मकसद ये है, I'll be very honest, कि yes, I think हम कितना भी झुटला लें इस बात को, बट कहीं ना कहीं हमारी सोसाइटी और दुनिया भर की सोसाइटी में शायद औरतों को वो मुकाम नहीं मिलता, या वो ओहदा नहीं मिलता, या वो रिस्पेक्ट नहीं मिलती जो मिलनी चाहिए. एक टाइटल चेंज करने से शायद बदलाव नहीं आएगा, बट द थॉट विल पुट दिस इन योर हेड कि अरे हाँ यार, एक्चुअली है सोचने की बात यार. सो लेट मी बी नाइसर टू माई वाइफ हु गोes out for work or looks after the house. Let me be thinking about my daughter, that when she grows up, how she is going to lead her life, and should she get the benefits rightfully which belong to her and not decided by her gender. So ये बातें जो हैं हमारे दिमाग में सबके चलेंगी. मुझे ऐसा लगता है जो जवान पीढ़ी है उनकी सोच और भी इफ़ नॉट वॉलेटाइल, ज़्यादा एक्टिव है, तो उनको ये बातें जब दिमाग में आएंगी वो ऐसा ही सोचते हैं, और आई थिंक उनको ये बात समझ में आएगी, इक्वालिटी विल फाइनली हैपन. आई मीन वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट सफरेज, वोटिंग राइट्स. ईयर्स अगो जब हुए थे तो तब लोग सोचते थे औरतें वोट कैसे करेंगी इन अमेरिका एंड ऑल, इट्स अ बिग थिंग. But now that it's happened, it's a normal thing, we accept it. And inshallah हर चीज़ के अंदर ये मुकाम जो है ये एक नॉर्मल से ले आएगा. Plus the atrocities against women that we hear about, that were mentioned, will also lessen with this equality, I think. Actors than me that I work with, all of them have been younger than me. Some have been more young, wrong English, but more younger than the others, but they've all been younger than me. They called me and told me to say that, all of them. And what did you ask me? All of them. They are outstandingly inspirational. I've always said this in every interview, in every film. मैं मजाक से नहीं कहता हूँ, सिर्फ patronizingly नहीं कहता हूँ इस बात को. But they work harder, they look better, they make the film stick together, and I think honestly, sometimes, at least not in my workspace, but some of the times they do not get the due credit that they belong. I mean, that they deserve. I truly believe that women are the backbone, at least in my field of work, and I'm inspired by all of them, younger than me and a little less younger than me also, all of them. I'm extremely inspired by them. And अगर आप कभी भी उनसे मिलें, all the heroines that I work from, Anushka is the newest lot, I assume, and Madhuri and Sridevi actually to have started, Hemaji, because she's directed me also. But if you ask them all, this is the one thing they will tell you, that yes, we are very clear that Shah Rukh has always maintained that this film and the work, whether it's directorial, whether it's Farah Khan as a writer, director, or Saroj Khan as a choreographer, or Vaibhavi, all of them. There's so many of them in the department now. Abhi hamari film jo edit ki hai, Namrata ne ki hai. There's so many of them. So all of them have really, really inspired me. Every time I see an actress work, and I don't even call them actress actually, I call them actors. I think I've never called them, बोलने के लिए ऐसा बोलता हूँ, but I call them actors. I think every time I work with each of my co-actor, I have been extremely inspired by some aspect or the other.
Shah Rukh, has your daughter ever inspired you, and you also heard me saying in the ad that I hope she becomes a good actress one day.
My daughter, I hope she becomes. I have this, because I'd like to put my money where my mouth is. And I really think actresses are the backbone of the film industry. And I hope, I've worked very hard in this industry for 20 years. A lot of people mistake me or my films to be, some of the mainstays of commercial cinema in the last few years. But I would like my daughter to change all that. I would like her to be a part of film industry, because I really believe, I'd be very proud if my daughter's an actress. I'd be very, very proud for every aspect, whether it's a song, whether it's a dance, whether it's the cover shoots of fashion magazines, whether it's the interviews, whether it's whatever, even some of the gossip that you guys would write. I'd be very proud of every aspect of what my daughter does. Inshallah, if she becomes an actress, and I hope she becomes an actress.
Do you see a trait in that, all of this in her already, because she is growing up right now? So any of the traits you see in her of an actress?
मेरे पास तो बड़े माइक्रोफोन एक्टिंग करने लग जाते हैं यार. So, कुछ ना कुछ तो पढ़ा ही होगा बच्चों के अंदर. No, it's not that big a scandal as yet. No, I write. I used to write and say things to all of you because I feel them. Some of your questions, notwithstanding, which are pointed and directed at things that I don't appreciate, but I still used to answer them with fun and happiness. Lately, I think I've started feeling that some of it gets into areas of disturbances which I don't like. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि मैं ट्विटर पे कुछ लिखता था तो मुझे लगता था मेरी थॉट है, but then I see किसी और के आर्टिकल के अंदर मेरा वो कोट लिख देते हैं जिसका उससे कुछ लेना देना नहीं है. And I miss people on Twitter. I miss the interactions. I hate the idiots who write shit. और उनका मुझे अगर नाम पता मिल जाए तो मैं उनको ढूंढ के MCA ले जाऊँ. But having said that, I feel bad. I'm very emotional. I'm a very sensitive person. I may not come across as that, and I found that my sharing of my personal thoughts get misused, misread, misunderstood. और फिर बहुत शर्मिंदगी की बात है कि मैं एक प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में आऊँ एक अवार्ड फंक्शन के, और मैं उससे पहले अपनी लाइक एंड अपॉलॉजी पढ़ के दुनिया को सुनाऊँ for an article that I write. So I don't like it. And let me tell you, with all my love, I love you all, and have dinner and stay with me and we can dance a little after this press conference. But you've got to be a little more thoughtful. You've got to be a little more thoughtful. Everything is not a joke. Everything is not just spice. Everything is not what your editor and editorials want. There is life beyond that. So, you can hurt some. I understand there is all PR management and a lot of it is, planted and people talk and it's a joke. But it reached my stage of life, I find some of them things not very funny. And then if I try to say something funny, it's taken as wrong too. So it's a losing battle. So till such time I feel happy writing and expressing my thoughts again on platforms. I'm not distancing myself. How can I distance myself from the job that I do? I've always maintained you and I do the same stuff. Only your films have more spice than my films have. But I can't distance myself from you. I love you, and I'll always love what I do, hopefully. But जहाँ जहाँ मैं अवॉइड कर सकता हूँ, ऐसी ऐसी जगहों पे जहाँ पे कुछ अजीब से लोग कुछ अजीब बात लिख देते हैं, और मेरा को है कौन तू, मुझे अपना घर का पता तो बता, टेलीफोन नंबर तो बता दे, कहाँ से लिख रहा है तू. So I'm refraining. I don't feel like writing. मैं लिखता था जब मेरा दिल करता था. अब बहुत दिनों से मेरा दिल नहीं किया है. But having said that, it's very nice to come and talk to you after a long time. It's very nice. I feel happy chatting with you all.
Many thanks. Sorry. I'm really sorry to have.
Okay, बहुत दूर से आए हैं तो हम यार 4-5 घंटा ट्रैवल करेंगे. Thank you.
सर आपकी फिल्म चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस कब रिलीज हुई, दिवाली में आई?
अगर पहले बताना होता तो ट्विटर पे लिखता ना यार. तो जब होगा भी हम पोस्टर निकाल देंगे, उसका बता देंगे. कोशिश कर रहे हैं हम जल्दी से ख़त्म हो जाए इंशाल्लाह. अगर टाइम पे ख़त्म हो गई तो जल्दी रिलीज़ कर देंगे. I will announce it. I think हमारे पास थोड़ा VFX और डायरेक्टर का you have to. I wish this was that platform. This is Tata D platform. But I'll answer for you because you travel a lot. So sorry sir. But डायरेक्टर वगैरह हों सब तो उनकी समझ के, they are the big people in terms of ownership of it. But we'll announce, I think, in 8-10 days. We're waiting for UTV to come down, Ronnie and all, and we'll decide in a few days and announce it.
This party started recently. I met an actor in a press conference, and उनके मुताबिक इंडिया में awards fair नहीं होते, वो सिर्फ उनको मिलते हैं जो नाचते हैं और गाते हैं. So do you take it as an offense? John Abraham ने कहा था. So do you think it's like a dig at all those actors who actually perform in whole entertainment when they come on?
Are you seriously asking me this? After my big lecture to you about really?
There's no offense.
Come and dance with me after this press conference. Like, come on, don't. I have no issues as yet with John, so don't start them, please. I love John. Whatever he says is completely right. The more the merrier. People who would like to direct me, I would love to. उसने मुझे बोला है, हमारी बहुत conversation हुई है इस बारे में, and उसने मुझे फिल्म भी बताई है जिसमें मुझे वो डायरेक्ट करना चाहता है. Yeah, we've had a big discussion with John, and very sweetly he said कि मैं जब डायरेक्टर बनूंगा तो I would like to direct a film with you, and he's told me also the film that he wants to make. It's all in his head, and he's very clear about it. So it'd be really wonderful. I think he's a fantastic person, and I've gotten to know him lately while we were trying to get him to do